Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a hatch in AutoCAD. That is when we make a wall or a column or a slab which requires a specific hatch to know what it is. So firstly we are going to make a simple wall to make a hatch. That is, we'll go for L enter to make a line. Then we specify one point and we just drag our cursor the till where we want. So that has to be specific. So as you can see here, the units are in inches. So without making any mistake, do enter UN and you'll have units here. Press enter on it. Then decimals is okay. The as you can see here, units to scale is in inches, so we'll change it to millimeters, and decimal points would be till zero point 0.0. So that would be the perfect units that we're gonna use to make the wall. So again we'll go for L enter and specify the first point, and let's say I want a wall which is 10 mm just for the hatch. The thickness, as you all know, it's going to be 23. And again we'll go for 10, anything like that. So as you can see, we just make a simple box here, and what we're going to do is the shortcut for hatch is H enter. So we'll press H and enter. So as you can see here, it says pick a internal point. That says you have to pick a internal or else a closed shape, that is a square like here. So if you press on the square here, it will have the hatch like this, and the on the menu bar up here says hatch creation. There are many options for the hatch that you can have, which is solid, angle, double line, single dotted. If you want to just have the tiles, it can have the tiles. If you want Mangalore tiles, which is used in roofs, so that is this. If you want bricks, it has bricks. It has RCC, it has cross section areas, it has earth, glass, whatever you just name it, gradient, everything is here. So you just need to select that and you'll have the hatch done on it. So here we have done a honeycomb grills here. So for that, now we'll just make a RCC wall that needs double line hatch. So let's do again L enter, and we'll specify the first point. I want the wall to be 30, then thickness to be 2.3. As you know, the standard thickness is 230 meters. Okay, again I'll go for 30 and just end the wall here. Again what we'll do is H enter. We'll pick the double line hatch. That means it says that it's a RCC wall which is here, and we'll just specify it to be here. So now what happens here is this is very close to each other. So what if we want to print and just make a GC on it? So as you can see, a number here below the angle, it says 1. So just you'll have to enter any number that you want. Let's say if you want to have 30, so the lines will have 30 distance way between them. So as you can see, 30 is too much, so we'll try for 10. 10 is good. See, 10 is good if you want to have only the visuals that this is a RCC wall. It is just perfect, and this is honeycomb grills right here. So you can have any hatch that you want on a closed shape, and it is not has to be just a square, it can be anything, right? So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.